guys, it's Kelsey here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my fall nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoy it and let me know if you want more routine videos in the comments. Okay guys, so the first thing that I do on a fall night is start dinner. Kendra and I usually take turns when cooking dinner. Sometimes she'll cook dinner, sometimes I'll cook dinner, or we'll do it together depending on what we're cooking because we both have like our go-to dishes that we're good at making. So this night I just made some mashed red potatoes, and then I'm also going to do some maple Brussels sprouts. But I like to start out with the potatoes first because they take kind of long to boil. So I'm just starting out with cleaning these and filling up my pot so that they can boil. So depending on the size of the potatoes, I usually let them boil for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then when they're done, I just pour out the excess water and then begin the mashing process. So I just like to put them in a bowl, or sometimes I'll leave them in the pot. But I like to leave the skin on because honestly it still tastes just as good to me. And sometimes I don't feel like skinning all the potatoes. I just don't have time for that. So I'm just putting in all my ingredients. I like to do butter, rice milk, seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I add some black pepper as well. So this is a great recipe if you're dairy free because I do not do any sour cream in my potatoes. So these are the only seasonings that I usually do when making my red mashed potatoes. And sometimes if I have time, I'll use my actual like electric mixer, but I really didn't feel like doing that this night, so I just went with my metal spoon and it got the job done. So after I'm done with the potatoes, I go ahead and start the Brussels sprouts and just put some olive oil in the pan and go ahead and add the Brussels sprouts to the pan. So I make Brussels sprouts in so many different ways and I add a lot of different ingredients to them depending on our mood. So this night I just decided to do something that I've been doing a lot during the fall time. I'm just going to add my regular seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I normally don't add any salt to my Brussels sprouts. That's just a preference of mine. Sometimes I might do garlic salt, but for the most part I don't really like salt on them. So I've been really liking this cinnamon vanilla maple syrup during the fall time for my Brussels sprouts. They're so good if you add just a tad bit. So I drizzle a little bit over the Brussels sprouts when they're almost done cooking. And I usually let my Brussels sprouts cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and that's usually enough time. So if you add a little bit of maple syrup to your Brussels sprouts, it's really good, especially for fall time. And the brand of maple syrup that I use, I found it at Whole Foods and it's pretty bomb. Most of the time we like to do salmon with this meal. Kendra makes her famous baked salmon, but this night we weren't craving any meat, so we just went with a starch and a vegetable. And after cooking dinner, I always like to light candles just to get the food smell out of the kitchen, and it also gets the cozy vibes going. Y'all know we're all about cozy vibes, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I also like to go ahead and put some water on for tea because I like to have tea after my dinner. So now I'm just gonna head over to the living room and eat dinner. We do not eat at the kitchen table unless we have company or guests over. We're couch dinner eaters, so let me know if you guys are too. So we've been watching All American. It's on its second season. It comes on the CW. If you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it. It's a pretty good show. So this is the tea that I've been drinking nonstop throughout fall. This is the Trader Joe's Harvest Blend Herbal Tea. It's caffeine free and it's so good. It has a ton of fall flavors like cinnamon, orange, apple, ginger. It's just a really good tea to have during this time of year. So after I'm done downstairs, I head upstairs and start winding down. I just go ahead and spray some spray oil in my hair. This is the Kukui oil by OGX, but I've been using this oil for years. It just adds a little bit of moisture and shine to my hair, and I just always like to add it before I go to bed. It's better than not adding anything for me, so I just get that all throughout my hair and put my hair in a very loose bun. I haven't really been sleeping in a pineapple because my hair is getting way too long for that. So I'll just put my hair in this loose bun with this satin scrunchie, well, silk scrunchie that I got from Amazon, and this silk scarf around my edges. And I just go ahead and turn my shower on so it gets nice and hot. And I love Caress body washes. This is the one that I've been reaching for the most lately. It's bomb, and this is the lotion and body oil that I've been using. This coconut coffee one smells amazing, but it does not have caffeine in it because I sleep fine at night when I use it. And now I'm just taking out my very extensive skincare routine, but before I start that, I'm just going to brush my teeth, floss, do mouthwash, you know, the normal stuff you do before bed. So it takes me about 20 minutes to do my entire skincare routine. That might seem kind of long to some people, but honestly, like, my skincare time is kind of like me time. It's really relaxing for me, and I think a lot while I'm doing my skincare routine. So you guys let me know if you want an updated skincare routine, because my skin has been doing a lot better since I went to the dermatologist a few months ago. So after I'm done in the bathroom, I head to bed, of course. And I hop in bed, and usually I do not go straight to bed. First off, I like to sit up and like sit on my phone. Well, here first, of course, I'm putting on a lip balm. Can't forget lip balm, don't want no crusty lips. But I like to watch TV and sit on my phone before I go to bed, because I like to make sure I let my products seep into my skin. So make sure you don't go straight to bed when putting on your skincare products, so you're not face to pillow, because your products are going to soak right into the pillow. By the way, I do sleep on a silk pillowcase. If you guys are wondering, you can get that on Amazon. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my nighttime routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you guys want to see more routine videos. I will definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.